In this video guide, we will give you detailed recommendations that will help you to get rid of the browser hijacker called Searchpdfconverters. It is also known under the name of the website Searchpdfconverterscom. Some people may suddenly notice that Searchpdfconverters has become integrated with their Google Chrome browser, and they don't know how exactly it happens. They did not want to set Searchpdfconverterscom as their default homepage or search engine, but somehow it has been set as the default homepage and the default search engine. Plus, whenever they open the new tab URL, they still see this Searchpdfconverters instead of the blank page. This is why Searchpdfconverters is fairly considered as a potentially unwanted application, because people install it unwillingly and unintentionally. Often it happens as a result of this hijacker being integrated with some free applications. When you submit some search queries, you may notice that the results are delivered by some strange and unfamiliar search engine. This can be Bing, Yahoo, or some nearby me.io, or something else not familiar to user. If you are not happy with such alterations into the way your browser operates, you need to get rid of this Searchpdfconverters browser hijacker as soon as possible. And the solution to remove it is pretty simple, by the way. Go to the menu of your browser, Settings, scroll down to Privacy and Security, click on Site Settings. While you are in Permissions, choose Notifications and carefully research the list of the websites that are allowed to send notifications. So when you find any malicious sites, get rid of them, because this site may also send notifications. If you find them, delete them. As for removing the browser extension called Searchpdfconverters, the solution is also simple. Go to the menu, More Tools, choose Extensions, disable and delete any third-party extensions that you may find here. Finally, we recommend you to additionally research your computer with Combo Cleaner antivirus. The best place to get it is on the page combocleaner.com. Download the software, install the program, and begin the detailed investigation of your computer. Click on Start Combo Scan, and you'll see the summary of threats at the end of scanning. After you click on the Start Combo Scan button in Combo Cleaner trial mode, the program will begin the detailed research and investigation of your Mac computer. By the way, certain features in Combo Cleaner trial mode are absolutely free. For instance, they are disk cleaner, big files, and duplicates. Features like antivirus or privacy scanner are the parts of the premium license only. However, the program, even in the trial mode, will give you the full summary of all threats that were detected during the scan. The scanning may take several minutes depending on how infected your computer is, and then at the end of scan you will be able to review the results of the threats that were detected during the Combo Cleaner scanning. You may go to the antivirus section and click on Review Results. So, as you can clearly see, the program not only gives you the names of threats, but also their exact location on your Mac computer. So you have an option to remove each threat manually, one threat at a time, and this will be free removal, or you may consider upgrading to the premium version of the program to get rid of all such threats altogether and automatically.